What's up guys, Caleb here. I'm with the brand new iPhone XS Max. We're going to unbox it and set it up. Let's take a look. If you like Apple as much as I do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like this on all the latest from Apple. So here it is, the iPhone XS Max. I got the 64 GB version. I did not get the 256 or 512. Personally, it's just too much for me. I don't even come close to that number. First things first, you're greeted with, of course, the pamphlet with all your information, warranty, a little pin tool to eject your SIM card, and of course, Apple stickers. And here it is, the iPhone XS Max. I opted for the gold version. I really think it is absolutely beautiful. If you are on the fence about this color, trust me, you will not be disappointed. It is really, really nice. Let's power this on and I'll be right back when it comes back up. Now in the box you get the same 5-watt power adapter. It is the same brick that's been in there for years. The phone can support fast charging, but for some reason they won't do it. They have the ear pods without the adapter that you can plug old earphones into. That is no longer available, and of course the standard powering cable. Now I gotta set it up, and I'll be right back when it's all booted up. So here it is. It is absolutely amazing. Everything's setting up. I got this case from Best Buy. It's a clear case, and it was only $15. If I get a color phone like this, I always want to see the phone itself, not cover it up with a case. There you have it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to check out the Apple Watch Series 4 and that gold stainless steel unboxing. I'll leave a link in the description below. Peace.